Job done.
Native on the side or from you?
Oh, you can pour in it. Okay.
You have some gasoline? You have a better vehicle?
We are on the way to the airport to collect our crew, Ben and Carla.
That's it. That's what we're off to.
Yes.
So we're just about to get in a taxi.
Excellent. Waiting. Flight is delayed.
Here they come. Hey! Yep.
It's the new crew member. It's Dobby the cat. Come on, you look at the camera. You need to get used to the camera. What?
Way to the supermarket.
Yeah, let's go to the big provision.
This
So
is it.
we go to El Campo.
See, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna need like 4.
And I can't find the coconut water.
Coconut water is on the last aisle.
I got tofu and I got down here I have a bunch of our vegetable stuff.
Compared with what we've seen of other people.
Oh, there's one. Enough? Oh, mustard. Do you have a place for mustard? It's all going in slowly process. It's gonna be food everywhere.
Sure is.
I just convinced Simon to buy the nets, put the vegetables. Everyone busy here. Carl is trying to sew something to protect the dinghy from the davits, right?
Yes.
So I told you it'd be slavery today.
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out how to. This guy.
And then the boys are putting the
the
jack lines on.
We're a busy beach, we are.
Yeah. You already did the dinghy?
Yep.
The dinghy is all ready to go.
So we've checked out, and eventually, after we found the place to go to, and it was just strange, wasn't it, really?
Yeah.
Nobody seemed to know what to do or where to go, but we managed
Because
to
we
find
had a form from the customs, which they said we had to fill.
Yep.
But they said no.
Nope.
The police said no, you don't need it. Unless you bought the boat here.
So we got our passport stamped and checked out and all that sort of thing, and now we're back in the country. So
Yeah, kind of ready to leave.
we are ready. Cup of coffee and then we're off really. Just about. Fill it with fuel, petrol and gas.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. trip on a dinghy. The Highfield.
Wow, look at that.
Well, you look at
We're going to really like it.
I think you are.
videos. That's our hatches. Hello everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this video. On this video it's our last hours before we depart
Yeah, I took all my knuckles off, didn't I? Whoa.
to scrub the bottom of the boat, but it was something we had to do, right?
Yeah, after all the, if you follow the blog, you'll know that we've been trying to get it onto the hard at the Marina to clean it and paint it, but they wouldn't let us do it. So in the end, that was it, I'm afraid. We had to go into the water in the wetsuit. And
in the dirty Marina.
In a dirty Marina, yeah. And just scrape it all off. And yeah, that's what we did. So we got that job done.
Yes. Then we went to the airport to collect our crew, Ben and Carla.
Yep.
So they arrived. They safely arrived.
Yep.
To enjoy us for the crossing.
Unfortunately, we all get on very well, don't we?
We do.
Yes.
We do very well.
Yeah.
They are very
Yeah.
good. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
And then we got our Dobby, our cat, our
Dobby.
new crew. And yeah, so what else?
Dobby's fine, isn't
Dobby's
he?
fine, yeah.
He's absolutely
Yeah,
fine.
Yes.
Don't worry
yeah.
about Dobby, okay?
And then we go up for the big
Go for the big shop.
Yeah.
Yep, 5 supermarket trolleys full.
Yeah.
We got enough toilet paper, didn't we?
We do. Not one per person every day.
No, not one per person every day. No.
No, it is a big thing, the shopping, because it's you know, I had to put my head on it and calculate everything, try to calculate everything, and calculate things if in case, you know, something happens on the boat and we're going to be drifting in the ocean, so you need to have food for that occasions too.
Yeah.
So it's you have to think on a lot
Sort of
of
backup plans, really,
yeah,
isn't it?
backup plans. And I'm sure we're going to end up with a lot of leftovers because we won't eat all everything.
No.
But at least we are prepared. We feel prepared that that's
We
going to
got
be
enough.
enough
And
food.
actually, it all did fit in the boat quite easily in the end, didn't it?
It did because once again we planned before, so we got some plastic crates, so they are on the front cabin, plus the seats under the seats in the, and you had to give in on the.
I had to give in on the fruit and vegetable net. I've been trying to put that off. I don't know what it is really. Just don't like the
doesn't
sight of it really.
things, hanging around. Yeah, but we had to do
We
that.
gave in and we put it underneath the solar panel, so
You
it's
don't
actually
even
in the shade. No, I don't even notice it
Yeah.
now. But it mustn't damage my
Oh,
new
that's
high
where
field.
my onions are, because
Oh.
I was like, well, I don't have any onions. How come I don't have
There
any?
you go.
Oh, they are there.
There you go.
Okay.
And the new high field arrived.
The new Highfield arrived, so he's a happy
Yeah.
boy.
I am so pleased. The first time we went out in it, at that marina, went into the marina at Marina Bianco. Blanco?
Pasito Blanco.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it just felt so nice. It was
Yeah.
so smooth. It was so big.
It's so beautiful, so clean.
Yeah, yeah, we're really pleased with that. We are
Yeah.
really thrilled with that.
We are very happy.
Yeah, it was a good
Very-
decision in the end.
Yes. So then, that was when we went to the bottom of the island before we depart.
Yeah.
So we kind of went to the closest point in the island to make the crossing
Yeah.
and spent the night there. And then on the next day we departed to...
It was a funny thing actually. During that night, about 2 or 3 in the morning, I could hear people talking outside, and the next thing I heard was somebody said, "Oh, he's put a light on," and so I was getting up, you see, and I went up on deck, and we were about a foot away from the boat behind.
Yeah.
Obviously, we'd laid our anchor out a different way, and we'd all turned round during the night, and
so
we got a bit too close, really.
Yeah, so we had to do it again. You know?
Yeah. So, so everything was good.
Yes.
We checked out successfully.
We did.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep, checked out. That wasn't it. That went okay once
Yeah.
we found it.
It's always like that.
It's
isn't
always
it?
like that. And here we are. You've probably guessed in sunny Mondello.
Mindelo. In Cape Verde.
Yeah. So we obviously made the Atlantic crossing.
The
the
first
first half successfully, don't we?
First third.
Yeah.
Yes. So I hope you can keep following us on this crossing, and thumbs up, please. Subscribe to our videos, please.
Okay. So thank you very much for
Thank you
watching.
very much.
Bye.
Thank you.